This is how to test lab URL in Google Search Console. First, let's inspect the URL. Go to URL inspection and type in the URL you want to test. Hit enter. Then once you get the URL inspection result, click this test lab URL and it may take a while. Then this is the result of the test. The URL is available to Google, and if you want to retest the live URL, just click this retest URL. You can also go back to URL inspection to test another URL. So this is how to test live URL in Google Search Console.